I completely disagree with this concept called gender inequality. I don't believe there is no such thing in this world which a boy cannot do, and a girl can do, and a girl cannot do, or a boy can do. There is no such thing. Because of the society and some few rules and regulations, when a woman gets married, and if she is in the middle of her studies, and if her husband or her in-laws are not supportive, then she needs to leave her studies and focus on her family. So I think it can be very easy if people are a bit supportive. You have the same opportunity, same power to live happily.
Why we differentiate between he and she? God didn't, then why do we? This is disappointing, everyone, not only to me.
Fairy tale princesses, light skinned with their impossible waists, blonde hair, and all their blemishes erased. These are the role models that our little girls see. And rather than telling our little girls to be all they can be, we tell them to be happy is to be pretty. This canvas stretched across my bones. It covers my organs, muscles, and sets the tone. It's amazing how similar yet different we are. Yet for beauty standards, it sets the bar. Societal pressure on women to look beautiful means maintaining a figure, wearing good clothes, having good hair, skin covered in layers of makeup, and the list goes on and on. As I mentioned, women need to maintain myriad things in order to look presentable, and the barrier starts right then. We can't eat our favorite dishes properly, we can't repeat the same outfit multiple times, we need to spend lots of money on beauty products or our monthly beauty salon visits. I've personally received this a lot. OMG, you've put on so much weight since the last time I saw you, or wow, your outfit is so pretty. More than the three magical words. You are beautiful. This sometimes makes me feel anxious and inferior, so unfortunately, in order to compete in the rat race, I also try my best to look beautiful. From maintaining a strict diet to spending lots of money on buying high-end cosmetic products. It is sad, but it is true. I hope one day the society changes and accept the inner beauty as well.
Sexual harassment to me is any kind of behavior that involves inappropriate sexual remarks or even physical conduct that makes the victim uncomfortable. This does not end in the streets. This may happen at somebody's workplace or even at home by a relative. So the barriers that women face is not being able to speak up against, for example, their boss because in fear of losing the job. So what I want to say is that women should speak up regardless of anything. She lived inside my caged soul, waiting for the day I would set her free, casting her light into my dark mind, hoping that I would see flashes of a better life, glimpses of possibility. I was never alone because she believed in me.